2025 Jazz Century redefines elegance and modern driving with a bold leap into futuristic design, advanced technology, and refined luxury. From the moment it enters the spotlight, its sleek silhouette and sculpted lines speak volumes about Honda's vision for tomorrow. The front fascia features a clean, confident stance with slim LED headlights, a redesigned grille, and aerodynamic contours that not only enhance aesthetics but also performance. Every angle of the Jazz Century reflects precision and innovation. Under the hood, the 2025 Jazz offers a smart hybrid powertrain that combines fuel efficiency with responsive driving dynamics. Whether cruising through city streets or coasting on the highway, it delivers smooth, quiet, and efficient performance. The transmission has been refined for seamless gear shifts, while advanced suspension tuning ensures a balanced and comfortable ride. Drivers will appreciate the agility, especially in urban environments where tight turns and quick acceleration are essential. Step inside, and the interior reveals a spacious and meticulously crafted cabin that rivals even some luxury sedans. The seats are upholstered in premium leather with contrast stitching, offering both comfort and style. The dashboard is dominated by a wide touchscreen infotainment system, fully integrated with the latest voice assistant, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging. A customizable digital instrument cluster delivers all the driving information you need with clarity and elegance. Ambient lighting and acoustic glass provide a serene environment, perfect for long journeys or relaxed city driving. Rear passengers are treated to generous legroom, climate vents, and adjustable seating, making the Jazz not just a compact car but a premium travel experience. Smart storage solutions throughout the cabin add practicality without compromising the minimalist design. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Jazz. It comes standard with Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system and parking sensors make maneuvering in tight spots easier than ever. Additionally, new AI-assisted driver alerts help prevent drowsiness or distraction during long drives. One of the standout features of the Jazz Century is its panoramic sunroof, flooding the cabin with natural light and enhancing the sense of openness. The rear seats fold flat to create a surprisingly large cargo space, making it perfect for everyday errands or weekend getaways. In terms of connectivity, the 2025 Jazz doesn't miss a beat. Over-the-air updates keep the system fresh while integrated. Navigation offers real-time traffic and weather updates. Multiple USB-C ports and an upgraded sound system ensure passengers remain connected and entertained at all times. The 2025 Jazz Century proves that a compact car can deliver big on luxury, performance, and technology. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of progress, designed for those who want the perfect mix of elegance and intelligence in their daily drive.